we just I mean, that was crazy stuff.
No,
I mean,
thank you for sharing.
yeah, Troy. I mean, please don't. It's pretty amazing. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's sad. It's terrible. It's awful. But we've like you said, we're all going to go through this. We're all going to go through tragedy, and you're the fact that you're you're strong enough to keep going and keep it moving is unbelievable. And I can't believe you haven't even talked about this at all.
Yeah, no. I mean, I got into a little incident on O&A, so I'm banned from on air.
Why?
So, I got into a little bit of a problem. I had a little bit of a problem. It was like a whole fucked up thing. I got into a fight on air.
With who?
With one
fist
of the
fight?
guys. No, just a verbal fight. On Sam Roberts' after show, and
It's actually called the Bob and Sam Show.
that's right.
Yeah.
You weren't there, unfortunately, that day.
Yeah.
So I got into a little bit of trouble on there, and it was crazy because I actually thought I was going to get fired.
Really?
Yeah, it was pretty intense.
Over something on the air.
Yeah,
Isn't that what they love, though?
they do. I mean, O&A didn't have a problem with it. They were great. They fought for me, and they're the best fucking dudes ever, man. They really went to bat for me. But yeah, I mean, it's just when you work for a big corporation, man, some things go over the air that they don't want,
Yeah.
And
Story of my life with Robert Kelly and Rob Sprance.
You holding him back, Bobby?
Yeah, we don't want shitty MMA news.
We want our mics to smell nice.
Kelly, don't push the mic away, you fucking. Well, come on. Come on, dude. Just listen. Don't push put the mic back in. Jesus.
Love you, Lou. Remember your dream? Remember.
Did eat that woofing bush.
Woofing bush.
A woofing bush in between Kelly's legs.
So they came down. What was said? Can you say it? No.
you know what, dude? It's just such a weird thing.
You know what? Welcome.
It's just
You don't have to.
It's just like I'm so scarred from it.
Yeah.
Wow.
That just because it just something that would come out here in like a normal conversation.
Yeah.
Then it just turned into this huge ordeal, and lawyers were involved. So
Yeah, it's corporate.
Wow.
Corporate is a motherfucker.
yeah, and especially anytime the threat of losing sponsors comes forward.
well,
So
we're trying to lose ours. So you can talk about it. We want to lose.
Yeah.
We have three that we have Amazon. We made 8 cents. No, I'm kidding.
but yeah,
Just
so
after the incident.
no, it happened the week before.
The
and
week
then-
before your girlfriend passed away.
And then I was suspended for that whole week, and then I found out Wednesday that I still had a job, and she died on Saturday.
Jesus.
Damn it.
So that was my August. So yeah, it was pretty intense, man.
Jesus, man.
So, yeah, I mean, it's just like this year's just been a fucking brutal year. I've had my ass handed to me.
Yeah, you're ready for this year, Dan. You're ready for 2014.
Yeah, man,
That's
it's been pretty fucking crazy.
Get some Coke New Year's Eve.
That's right. I think Kelly and I are gonna party New
Yeah,
Year's
you're
Eve.
gonna eat Kelly's pussy.
We're on cocaine, yeah.
On cocaine.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, Bob. Sex on cocaine's the worst.
I had a fucking Australian stripper put coke on her pussy and tell me to lick it off of it.
When? Get the dates
A
right.
week ago?
You're allowed to put a